you can see it in the way I dress. And you should know this by the way I finesse. Or you can see it way before I come. Ain't gotta say where I'm from, don't act dumb, I'm from Oakland.
We're back in the rich where it all started. We got Jay, and I got a key to a thing. So we about to go see how old niggas live with this. You rolling? Come on, cutter. How does this even work? It's all the way back. So that is not tall man's approved, but yeah, let's get up in this thing, cuz. All right, so I got in without too big of a issue.
My turn.
Yeah, if you'd like. You get it? Oh, he's slapping. Oh, hold on. Hold up. Oh, let me start him up. Yeah. This thing got backup camera and everything. It's a full ass car. Man, you worried about a seatbelt?
I ain't going flying up this shit.
I'm not going fast. Where are we about to go fast? Down the street?
You'll find somewhere.
I will not. So this got a little 2-point-something liter Chevy full banger in it. I don't know what we doing. I just wanted to drive it just to see.
I don't even know what this is.
It's a Polaris slingshot. Why is this a thing?
I'm befuddled.
This is funny. It's like, I see why cats be trying to stunt with these, because, I mean, you just out here, I guess.
Out here in the streets, don't get sideswiped.
Yeah, yo, sideswipe would be the demon.
Look at the spacious.
Yeah, we're literally.
You get sideswiped, nigga, you are out of
Yo, if you ride this in the, I say ride it, because it does feel like a motorcycle for whatever reason.
Yeah, it's kind of got that motorcycle.
It's like a snowmobile or some dumb shit. I can't even look over at that because I don't want to feel like I'm stunting or nothing. You know what I'm saying? Bitch, I ain't stunting, trust me. The little single tire got crazy on us.
This is a whole new definition of one tire fire.
That's a fact. Hey, and I did not mean to do that, but you got to commit to it when crazy shit like that happens.
So we're basically in a snowmobile.
It's like it's like a side-by-side with a snowmobile back end. There's like really nowhere to put your legs except for on the pedals. Like it's not like I could put it beside the pedals. There's like a dead pedal thing, but I don't think that's a thing. I think it's like the roll cage down here. But you can only get to it like moving your foot back and then... You want to see if it can take a corner? Oh, no, the steering's not responsive. Huh? What?
You had to turn the wheel upside
A lot.
down.
Yeah. That's why I said it's not responsive. I turned the wheel a lot. That was way more than I, Look, dude, look.
Holy crap.
The steering's not responsive. So that's, yeah.
What kind? This guy's a wild ratio rack on it. Oh God!
Look at this. Look how much wheel turning I'm doing. And this is not a monster turn. You might as well get low shots since you can stick your hand right out there. Stuff in my teeth.
This fool got all.
Keep your mouth all the way closed when you're driving the knees, boy.
Wow. Yeah, I guess that's why these are so robust.
Yeah, because they got to stand up to the wind. Traction control? Does it have it? Hold on. Oh, that was, it just turned off. That tire spin was with it on.
That's
Oh, that's tragic.
put this shit all the way up.
Higher for
They
sure.
want you to feel the breeze. They want you to do the Jamaican bobsled.
Yeah, they should have put this higher.
Because the side wind is enough. They can put that up.
Well, like the
And whatever you get
side
through
by
here.
sides, they gotta have an add-on.
Right.
This is look, dude. You have to look this way to look at the light, or look at that light.
It definitely gets the head turns though. People have been looking at it like,
Really?
oh man, yeah. People have been looking at this motherfucker like.
Oh, I've been
look.
lightweight embarrassed.
Nah, they been looking at it.
Oh, look, Art's here.
Oh, nigga. Yo, it is a Mustang day today.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Woo! God damn.
Damn.
That's the only thing you can say about that car is God
Yeah.
damn. Holy smokes.
Gone in just about 60 seconds. Some direction.
Look at that, look at that.
Oh, what?
We got technology and shit in this thing, cuz.
That's wild.
Oh, and you don't want to try to judge. Look at the front wheel.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm looking at the mirror at the back of the car, and because it tapers in, it seems like you got hella space.
You got half of this. Half.
That's funny. It'll catch you off guard.
Yo,
So
I
you just got to peep the
I
fenders.
just realized there was a little handhold here that
Oh, is there?
I can't recommend, but I almost was like this.
Would have pulled the handbrake. All right, cool. Yo, I got so much stuff in my teeth. Yeah.
Freeway, with the helmet closing, you have no wind.
Yeah, we were riding like
Yeah,
this.
That's what I say.
It was too much shit. Yeah.
That's why I had my helmet on. 'Cause when
What's
I'm on that
happening,
freeway,
brother?
there's no wind you don't feel it. You just jump.
Damn. All right, so we're in my little Mazda, and I got Mustangs behind me. This should be fun, because I mean, I'm food, but we're about to hit the back roads right now. And like I said, I was gonna go run the back roads today, but I didn't tell y'all, you know what I'm saying? We was gonna be touring with the GT5 Hundos. Jesus, that looks crazy behind me. It's a little later in the evening, but that's all good. I mean, we're not really gonna push it like that or nothing. I'm definitely scraping. Go ahead because my car is bottoming everywhere, and it's pretty daggone tough to want to keep a good pace with you know, man, I'm so mad. Come on, yo. So this is like the definition of touring. We just went touring, which was pretty cool. My car is the worst equipped out of all of them. Bottoming out, sparking. Yeah. Oh yeah.
It was like 5, 6 of us was rolling, all old Mustangs.
Hey, that shit looked extremely cool in the mirror though. Jeez, these are clean as shit. So this is a cool experience. Yeah, my car is just ignorant. So skid plates did their job because I absolutely hit everything. Every single piece of road that wasn't flat, hit it. But shit, she looks good. But I'm raising her. The rear is the biggest issue. And then the rest of the problem is just how soft it is now. The coilovers are just old. So I'm changing those out. This is just, man, great car situation. So the content was pretty dope today. I don't know if I put it at the beginning of this video, but I hit up the back roads in another Mustang. Then I told you I was gonna hit up a little bit of back roads in the RX-8. So we did that. I got to put the GT500s together. Full licensed VIN GT500, whole resto mod, completely like legit. This is tight. This is something that you normally don't see out on the roads. And if you do see it out on the roads, dude's driving it slow. We just had him mob through a back road with us. He was mashing on the freeway with us. And that's how you drive. You know what I'm saying? He drove this thing across the nation, went to every spot that he wanted to go see. He had his family with him. So this is a driver's driving car, right? And we know the Mac gets down with this. This is a blast. Make sure you check him out on his IG. And that is his YouTube as well. So check out his IG, check out his YouTube. You already know where to find me because you're here right now. So everything down, link in the description. It's cold. This is Richmond for you though. So we out. We about to go kick it with my pops and just chill. So we out.